Hello, Tech House viewers. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is a dynamic gas giant that boasts a variety of interesting features. Unlike other gas giants, Jupiter is not a failed star, but a successful planet in its own right. Its dynamic atmosphere features belts and zones, and it even has a persistent hurricane known as the Great Red Spot. In this video, we'll explore Jupiter's unique characteristics, its formation and structure, and the reasons why it remains one of the most fascinating planets in our solar system. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in our solar system. It is classified as a gas giant, meaning it is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with small amounts of other elements. Jupiter's mass is roughly 318 times that of Earth, and its size is so large that all of the other planets in our solar system could fit inside it. One of the most interesting features of Jupiter is its dynamic atmosphere. Jupiter's atmosphere is composed of belts and zones, which are alternating bands of light and dark clouds. The lighter-colored zones are located at higher altitudes and move in the opposite direction to the darker-colored belts, which are located at lower altitudes. Jupiter's atmosphere also features a variety of storms, including the Great Red Spot, a massive hurricane that has been raging for centuries. The Great Red Spot is about twice the size of Earth and is visible from Earth with a telescope. Jupiter's atmosphere is also home to other storms, including oval-shaped storms known as white ovals and brown ovals. These storms have winds that can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. Scientists have also observed that the atmosphere on Jupiter is constantly changing, and storms can sometimes merge, dissipate, or grow in size. Jupiter's interior is also unique. The planet's enormous size means that it is under a great deal of pressure, and this pressure causes the hydrogen in its atmosphere to compress into a metallic liquid. Scientists believe that Jupiter has a small rocky core, which is surrounded by a layer of liquid metallic hydrogen. Above this layer, there is a layer of molecular hydrogen, which is where the atmosphere begins. However, recent research suggests that Jupiter may not have a solid core at all. Instead, some scientists believe that the planet's core is made up of hot, dense fluid, which could explain why Jupiter does not have a magnetic field. Other scientists think that Jupiter does have a small, rocky core, but that it is surrounded by a massive layer of metallic hydrogen. Jupiter's formation is still a topic of much research and debate. However, most scientists agree that it formed through a process called core accretion. This process involves the gradual accumulation of solid particles in the early solar system, which then began to attract gas and form a large planet. Jupiter's formation was likely triggered by the gravitational influence of the Sun, which caused the solid particles in the early solar system to clump together and form a core. Jupiter is also home to over 79 known moons, with the four largest being Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These moons are some of the most intriguing objects in our solar system and are of great interest to scientists. Europa, for example, is believed to have a subsurface ocean that may contain the necessary ingredients for life. In addition, Jupiter's magnetic field is the strongest of any planet in our solar system, and it is thought to be responsible for the intense radiation around the planet. Jupiter's significance in our solar system has made it a target for many space missions. The first mission to explore Jupiter was Pioneer 10, which flew by Jupiter in 1973. Since then, several other missions have been sent to study the planet, including Voyager 1 and 2, Galileo, and Juno. Voyager 1 and 2 were launched in 1977 and made their closest approach to Jupiter in 1979. The spacecraft took detailed images of Jupiter's atmosphere and moons and also studied the planet's magnetic field. The Voyager missions revealed many new insights into the planet and its moons, including the fact that Io, one of Jupiter's moons, is the most volcanically active body in our solar system. The Galileo mission was launched in 1989 and orbited Jupiter from 1995 to 2003. During its mission, Galileo made many significant discoveries, including the detection of a possible subsurface ocean on Europa, the discovery of a new ring around Jupiter, and the observation of volcanic activity on Io. The most recent mission to Jupiter is the Juno spacecraft, which arrived at the planet in 2016. Juno is currently in orbit around Jupiter and is studying the planet's magnetic field, gravitational field, and interior structure. The mission has already made several significant discoveries, including the detection of a new radiation belt around Jupiter and the first direct measurement of the depth of Jupiter's atmospheric storms. Jupiter is a fascinating planet that continues to intrigue scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Its dynamic atmosphere, unique interior, and collection of moons make it one of the most interesting objects in our solar system. With ongoing missions like Juno, we can expect to learn even more about Jupiter and its mysteries in the coming years.